Hey everyone, hope you're doing all well. Today I have decided to make a video about how to move a small screen on a big map in Matlab. So once you have a bigger map than your screen, you will need to move it in order to see what's going on the map. So let's get us started. Now, first we will need to define our map. So our map will have a size on X, let's say size of 500, and Y 500 as well. So that's how big our map will be, and we shall also define the size of our screen. So showing X, let's say we will be seeing 100 points on our map. So Y shall also be 100. Now in order to see something on our map, we will need a certain amount of points on the map, and let's just say we will make it as much as our map size is in both X and Y, and divided by 100 for a measure. So every 100 pixels should be an object we will see on our map and on our screen. Now to create our map itself, we shall define it first by zeros, the size of map on X and Y, and in a for cycle we shall create the points. So with step 1, as far as the points go, so our map on a random position, which will be fixed random position, giving me one number, maximum of the X size plus 1. That will be our random X position, and as for Y, the same. We shall set this to be 1. Okay, so let's take a look at our map, just like so. Yeah, we're not completely done here. Okay, so this is our map, and our screen size will be much smaller, so we shall be only able to see part of it. So let's get into it. Now it's important to choose whether you want to make your top left corner or middle of your screen the point from which you will be drawing your map. For the purpose of this video, I will be thinking with the top left corner, so my starting position X will be, I shall start at a random position, just as so, as well as for the Y position. That is where we will start our visualization of the map on a smaller screen. Also, I'll make some variables goes for my maximum x that I can reach with my positions, which will be the size of map minus the size of my screen, thinking in the top left corner. The same will go for y. Okay, now I need to make sure that I am still on the map, so if my starting x position is more than what I can afford to go, then I will make it the maximum possible. Okay, the same goes for y, just like so. Now I don't need to go lower because the minimum of my start x and y position is 1, so I will be on a map in terms of minimum. So I will be thinking in current positions for the algorithms. So my current x will be my starting position for now. Same goes for y. And the way I will be moving will be ascending and descending. So I will be moving diagonally, showing you certain parts of the map that we will create. So ascending in x will be set to 1 at the beginning, as well as y. And we can choose our step to not take forever to move, so let's say 5 for now. Okay, now we can create our image. Our image showing a part of a map should be the size of the screen. Now the pictures, Matlab is using a type of unset integer 8-bit. This makes values 0 to 255, and these 256 values are shown as a grayscale image. So now that we have set our map, we shall create it, starting with our x position. This is what I want. So for my image cycle in x position, I will go in as far as my screen goes, as well as for my y position. Okay, and what's gonna happen here is that my image on such positions x and y will be set to the value of map on my current position, which is by default set to starting position, but I also need to add the cycle in x, and as well as for y. This is how we shall create our smaller screen on a bigger map. Okay, having this, I can make another figure and show you the image, and I shall prepare for dynamic drawing, so I will draw now. Let's see. Okay, one thing I forgot is that once I have the image, and because I'm working with unsigned integer 8, I need to multiply the value with 255 because my map is made of zeros and ones, and my image is using unsigned integers, so I will need to widen the values. Now when I run this, I can see that I am seeing a part of a map. I'm not completely sure which, but we will be moving on this map with our screen. One thing we should do is showing the transposed position of map and image, because Matlab is working with transposed matrices in terms of x and y. So that's what we're gonna do. And now we shall make our movement. How to do this? We shall start at our image using force cycle. Let's hit this. We'll go as far as 1000 steps. We can do this. That will be all the way down. And what we will do is changing our current x and current y position as such. My current x position will be the same, but with a step that will be multiplied by the ascending value. The same will go for y, but for ascending in y position. Now I have to make sure I'm still on the map in each and every step. So if my current x is bigger than the maximum value of x I can afford, then I shall make my current x position this maximum, and instead of ascending, I will be descending in x. As you may have guessed, I shall do the same for y. Just like so. Okay, however, I also need to make sure that I am not off the map on the other side. So if I'm less than 1, I'm 1 and I'm ascending again. Doing the same for y. So this is the type of diagonal movement we will be seeing on our screen, showing parts of our map. Okay, so thinking about it, 1000 might be a little too much. I'll make it 200 for now. And once I run this, I can see that my screen is showing part of the map, and this is how you can show just the part you need to see if you have a limited screen but your map is too big. And you can do this for any movement. I have just demonstrated diagonal, and I hope this was useful, and I hope to see you guys some other times as well.